You better love me again. You better love me again.
And today we have 5 packs of Team Coach footy cards. Okay, check if they're all sealed. Get straight into them before I get the Paddy Dangerfield magic. Okay, here we go. I just played football, as you can see. I'm playing B-Bear's team. I just kicked 2 goals. I think it's a checklist. I don't know. Okay. Sam Reed, Ryan Griffin, Josh Bruce, Anthony Miles, and Jack Martin, Footy Pop. Okay. Sealed. Sealed. Yay! Dane Beams, Cam McCarthy, Matthew Cruiser, Jared McVeigh, and Andrew Graff. Hopefully, I got a magic. Black line. Yeah, that's a black line. That's a black line. No, it's not. Even though it is a black line. Okay. Oh, shit. Just like hurt my toe. Shit happened. But I have a black line. Okay, Chris Salem, Nick Parker, Stephen May. Shit! Jackson Trungo and Cam McCarthy Footy Flicks. Oh shit. 2 more packs left. Sealed. 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 Okay. Get into this. Freaking open. It's a pain. I actually feel like going to get scissors. Oh. I think it's a black line. No, there is no black line. I think it is a St. Kilda pop-up. Okay, Liam Montagna, Jack Viney, Devon Smith, Stuart Camry, and Jack Gunston. I'm not pissed off. It's been looking pretty. Hey. Oh my god, I have a black line. Yay. Okay, Lucky Whitfield, Dylan Buckley, I think it's Collingwood Magic, Jesse Hogan, fucking Tom Lynch. Oh, should I go to power? Yeah, fuck that. Okay, so that was the end of my video, and I just got Nick Reebok. Saint Nick and okay. Let's end the video.